I'm very excited to launch this cookware line. My new collection combines modern design with effortless performance. These pieces have thoughtful touches that make a difference and are shaped by a long tradition of craftsmanship. This is cookware that makes cooking easier. It looks great, it performs beautifully. It's cookware that'll help you enjoy your life through food. My inspiration for this was, growing up in a family that loved cooking, loved food. With Italian cooking, the rules are simple. Buy the best ingredients, get the best flavor. I've built cookware with this simple idea in mind, using only the best materials right here in Italy. After all, it's where I've always found inspiration. It's modern cookware made in Italy. It's something I'd always thought about doing, and luckily the people at GreenPan came to me and asked if I would do something with them. And Jan, the brilliant designer, we came up with these shapes, these sizes, and these colors, these textures. Jan?
Stan.
It's all right, tell me how this whole thing started.
And seeing you cooking in your kitchen, that got me inspired to work towards a more minimalistic style, where you like more the modernist architecture and design.
Yeah, I do.
And I actually found a lot of pieces in your furniture which inspired me as well, and actually that all came together in the cookware range we're now looking at.
And it's all made here in Italy. What could be better?
And the range consists of an aluminum range in colors and a stainless steel tri-ply range. Are 2 layers of stainless steel on the outside and on the inside. In the middle, the core is an aluminum, because aluminum is the best heat conductor.
Yeah.
So what we do is actually we wrap it over and close it on top of the aluminum.
And has anyone done that before?
Not in this, with this particular shapes. It's totally new, it's our invention.
Right.
Which we're very proud of. So the inside is going to be covered with a plasma spray.
Right.
And it creates a very hard surface before the coating. And it cooks amazing.
Yeah. And you can take these and put them into the oven up to like 600 degrees.
Up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, yes.
Yeah, it's amazing. This cookware line is very much about the aesthetics, but also about its functionality. A non-stick surface that is PFAS-free. I have cooked on it, and it works like a charm. And I hope you like it.